হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আশা করি আপনারা সবাই ভালো আছেন। আজকে আমি চলে আসছি আমার ক্লায়েন্টের সাথে লাইভে চলে আসছি। ক্লায়েন্টের বিজনেস ম্যানেজারের পেমেন্ট মেথড অ্যাড করতে প্রবলেম হচ্ছে, তাই আমি এটা ওনাকে দেখিয়ে দিচ্ছি লাইভ মিটিং করে। তো যারা বিজনেস ম্যানেজারে এরকম লাইভ কিভাবে বাইরের সাথে কমিউনিকেশন করবেন এই প্রবলেম হয়, তারা এই ভিডিওটি সম্পূর্ণ দেখতে থাকবেন এবং আমরা টোটাল কাজটা করতেছি। ওকে, তো সবাই পুরো ভিডিওটা দেখতে থাকবেন। Hello sir, can you hear me sir?
Yes.
Yes, okay. How are you sir?
Good, sir.
Okay sir, I am sharing my screen, then you add your payment method to your business account. Okay sir?
Okay, sir.
Okay sir. Are you watching this sir?
I see the screen. Yes.
Okay. Actually sir, it is your personal account. Okay? It is your personal Facebook account. It is your business account. Okay sir?
Yes.
Okay. Now we have to payment method to your business account to run ads for your business, for your website
Okay.
traffic. Okay sir?
Right. Okay.
We have already completed ad Facebook page. Have you seen that?
No, I have not.
Please now watching this. Is it your Facebook sir? Facebook page?
Yes, this is my business page. Yes.
Okay sir, I have connected your Facebook page to your business manager account. Okay sir?
Okay.
Besides, I have make ad account to your business account. Ad account means advertising account. If you don't have any ad account, you cannot run ads campaign. Okay sir? For that,
I did not understand that.
okay sir, I am telling again. I have make ad account for you. Okay sir?
Okay.
Ad account means advertising account.
Okay, I got that.
Okay. If you don't have any ad account, you cannot ads campaign. You cannot run any ads campaign to Facebook. Okay sir? For that,
Okay.
I make ad account. Okay sir?
Okay.
I hope you understand. Besides, we have tracked your pixel. Have you seen that?
I see it now, sir.
Okay. Is it your Facebook pixel? It is active. You see green signal.
Yes, I see pixels.
Okay. ঠিক আছে. Now you have to add your payment method to business account. Are you ready?
What do I need to do?
Okay. Yes, you need to do. Okay, sir.
What
So just
do I need to do?
actually, if you don't add your payment method to business account, we cannot run ads campaign for your website traffic.
Okay, so what do I need to do? What exactly do I need to do?
Okay, I will guide you. Okay, sir. No problem.
Okay, sir. I'm ready.
Okay. ঠিক আছে না? We are going to payment method option. Just wait and see. Are you seeing that, sir?
Yes, I am. I do see it.
Okay. It is a payment method to add business account. We have to add payment method to run ads campaign. Now you have to add payment method. Okay, sir?
Okay.
I am going to add payment method.
Okay.
Okay, your country. Please tell me your country. United States of America, sir?
Sorry, repeat that.
You have to tell me your country. You
Yes,
just see that.
Yes, USA. That's my country.
Okay. Currency US dollar, right, sir?
Yes, correct.
Okay. Time zone GMT 5 Central Time, right, sir?
That is correct.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
It is-
Tell me, please.
It's Central Standard Time.
Okay, it is no problem. Central Standard Time and Central Time, it is same. Okay, sir?
Okay.
Okay. Now I am saving. Okay. Now you have to add your debit or credit card.
Okay.
What
It's
will
gonna be so your Visa debit card.
You have debit card, right, sir?
Visa, yes.
Okay. Otherwise, you can add your PayPal account.
No.
You-
Do not do PayPal. Do Visa.
Okay. You will add your debit card, right? I mean
Yes.
Visa card. Okay. Next. Card details. Please tell me your name, card name.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yes, of course. Congratulations, sir. Card successfully saved.
I see that.
Okay. I have done. Okay, everything okay. Have you do you have any payment this card? I mean, do you have any money in this card?
Yes, I do. But let me put more on the card. So let me go and transfer money to you in 5 minutes, please. Hold on.
Okay. Of course, sir. Actually, if you don't have any money in this card, we cannot run it. Okay, sir?
Okay. Hold on.
Okay, sir.
1 second.
Okay. Of course, sir.
All right.
Arjina Fuki Asan.
Hold on, sir, please.
Okay. I am waiting. No problem.
Almost finished here. Hold on.
Okay. Of course.
Okay, I'm ready now.
Okay, sir. Have you added payment here? I mean, have you added money in this card, sir?
Yes, I just did. Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Now we can run ads. Okay, sir?
Okay.
Okay. We will run ads after few time. Don't worry about it. Okay, sir? Now I am stopping this screen. Can you hear me, sir?
I'm sorry, sir. Repeat that.
I told you that it is already completed everything. Okay. Now we will run ads campaign for you. Okay, sir? Okay. Now I have one question to you, sir. Can you give me answer?
I can. Go ahead.
Okay. I have said you have one website. You need to generate traffic to your website, right, sir? Yes. Okay, we'll run traffic ads campaign for your website to generate traffic. Okay, sir?
Okay.
Okay, sir. I have already done a lot of work. We'll try to get you the best result. Okay, sir? You don't worry about it. You will get the best result from me.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, it is already done. So thank you so much, sir. We can end this meeting. Can you tell me anything, sir? You can tell me, please.
Wait, so we're done?
Yes, everything done. But
Okay. Wait a minute. Whoa. How much money
Okay.
is the ad campaign going to be for?
Okay, of course, it needs to, we will run ads campaign. If you expend more money, okay, you will get a lot of traffic. You will generate a lot of traffic. It is depend on your advertising cost. Okay, sir?
Okay, sir. So
Okay,
what do I
we will-
do? Okay.
Okay, we will run ads every day $20. Okay, sir?
How much? 20?
$20, right, sir? Every day,
Okay,
per
all
day.
right.
Okay, sir?
Every day?
Yes. We'll run ads firstly 7 days for that.
So that's $140?
Yes, of course.
Okay, so my
If-
card should have wait. So my
If
card
you-
should have
If you want, you can reduce this price. No problem. You tell me, no problem.
I can do less than that?
I don't understand. Please tell me again, sir.
Okay. How much money should I put on my card for the ad campaign?
It is depend on you. You tell me how much you will run ads campaign for you.
How
Okay.
many days will the campaign run?
We wanna run to your ads campaign for 7 days past. Okay, sir? And
Okay.
every day we'll expend $20. Total 7 days for $140. Okay, sir?
I don't understand. How much total will the ad campaign be? How much total will it be?
Okay. We wanna expend total $140. Okay?
Okay.
$140 for 7 days. Okay, sir?
Okay, I get that.
Are you agree with me, sir?
Yes, sir, I agree.
Okay.
140, yes.
Okay. Thank you so much. Do you have any question or do you want to any talk to you? You can tell me, sir.
Yes, do you have the ad that I want to run?
Yes, we will run ads campaign after few time. No problem.
Yes, sir.
We will give every time update. No problem. Okay, sir?
Can I see the ad?
Firstly, we have to make ads for you. Okay, then we will update to you. And I will see you. Okay, sir?
You'll make the ad and you'll send it to me?
Firstly, I have to make this ad. Okay, sir? Then I will
Okay.
show you.
Okay.
Okay,
Alright.
now actually at this moment we cannot make your ads yet. Okay, sir? We will make after few time. Then I will show you. Okay, sir?
Okay, why can't you make the ad now?
I don't understand. Please tell me again, sir.
Why can you not make the ad now?
Actually, sir, I have to a lot of work for you. Like
Okay.
that, add Facebook page to your business account. I told you last day. Make ad account. Make Facebook pixel for you. That you will get best result to your ads campaign. Okay, sir.
Do I owe any more money?
No need to money yet. Okay, sir. If need
Okay.
anything, I will tell you.
Okay.
Okay. Do you want to anything else, sir?
No. So what do I do? What do I do after today?
No, you don't. Actually, we should ended this meeting. We done all work now. We have done all work now. Okay, sir.
Okay.
But if you have any question, you can ask me.
Okay. So
Okay.
will I ask you through Fiverr, or how do I get to you?
I don't understand. Please tell me again, sir.
How do I communicate with you? Through Fiverr?
Yes, you can communicate with Fiverr, or if you have any WhatsApp number, you can give me. We can talk by WhatsApp. It is, I think, better. Okay, sir.
Okay, I do have WhatsApp. Yes.
Okay. Please give me your WhatsApp number. Then we can talk together. Okay, sir.
Okay, you ready for it now?
Yes, of course. Just a moment. Okay, please tell me your WhatsApp number.
Free.
I don't understand. Please tell me again, sir.
When will I hear back from you?
You can talk Fiverr, no problem. We are, as we are a team, we can talk together, no problem. Or we can talk.
When will I hear back from you? When will I hear back from you?
Okay. I will give update, and when I will available to you, talk to you, then I will message you. Then we can talk together. Okay, sir.
Okay, so will you message me soon or later? When will it be? Tomorrow, the next
I think
day?
tomorrow. Okay, I think tomorrow.
Okay. All right, sounds
Okay.
good. Have a good day, sir. Thank you very much.
Have a good day, sir. Thank you so much for joining with us.
All right.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Take care. Bye. Good day. Have a good day, sir. Okay.
All right, bye. Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks. Got it. Good. Thank you.
Thank you.